That'll work. I'm just gonna talk real quick. So the way that things worked out for me getting this truck, as it's such a unique rig, you don't see these driving around. You rarely see them come up at auctions, and even then it's down in the States, it's across the country, like it doesn't happen. So luck had it. I've been looking for about 4.5 years now for something of this size and of this style of truck. Being new here in Kelowna, I lucked out. I made a friend. Her boss happened to be talking one day about how he had an ambulance in storage, and so knowing the story about how I was looking for one, passed that information along to him, and he was at the time talking about getting rid of it. He took me out to the storage facility, and we're walking towards the back, and there's an ambulance I kind of see like popping up, like your regular Ford F-350. We walk up and I'm about to say like, oh yeah, that's it, hey? And he's like, yeah, this big red one. And I lose my mind, very calmly freaking out, and I start walking around it, opening the cabinets, opening the doors, and we ended up talking it through. He just kind of wanted to get rid of it at the time, and knowing how much I wanted it, we worked out a deal. So you don't get any luckier than that, and I am extremely grateful for that. Okay, so last little thing that I want to say before we move on and end this episode is still have to come up with a name. Feel free to reach out in the comments below. Let me know what we should name it. I don't even know what we're gonna do for a color pattern yet. Just follow along, hit the subscribe button, like it, see where this takes us. So thanks a lot, guys. See ya.